In this video, I'll show you how to split payment on Airbnb. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And to get started, go ahead and search for Airbnb on your browser. You can also open their app and sign in there. And here, go ahead and select a specific listing that you want to avail and click on that. Now in here, you can go ahead and find more details about this listing, such as the location of the specific listing, how it looks like based on the uploaded photos for this listing. And once you have finalized that you want to for this, go ahead and click on the reserve button, which you'll find at the bottom right of your screen. So you'll need to set the booking dates first, such as the starting date and the last day, and you'll need to actually set the amount of guests that will come along before you hit on that reserve button at the bottom right. So after you set this up, you can go ahead and click on reserve, and in this section you'll be able to find the pay part now, part later under the choose how to pay section. So select that and you'll be able to split your bills on Airbnb, and that is how you can basically split bills on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.